Storing your documents in a way that makes it easier for you to find them is going to help you in a lot of other ways too. When you are applying for a job, you'll oftentimes be putting together puzzle pieces of examples from one cover letter that you already had written for a different position to this new one. What will help you do all of this is if you keep these documents in a certain type of organization that makes them easy to find. What you'll also be able to do though is keep the document naming uniform so that it doesn't look messy when you're emailing in a PDF version of your resume. So how do we start with this? Let's go to our desktop and let's create a new folder. So just right click, you'll see this new option come up and click folder. Just name it jobs. Then open it up and let's start with the first position you might be applying for right now. Let's say it's rush. What I can then do is I can now take the resume that I was already working on and save it to that folder. So how will I do that? I'm just going to open up where I had my resume before. I want to use this one that has a table within it. And now I'm just going to go to File, Save As. And now I'm just going to look for where that folder that I just created was. So go to Browse. I've got it on the desktop, Jobs, and then Rush. Go ahead and save. And now that's in the folder. Now what I'm also going to want to do, because this is now, let's say, the final version of the resume I want to send in, I'm going to go into File. I want to save it as a PDF. What a PDF will do is a PDF will maintain the formatting of the Word document regardless of the type of word processing software the person uses. So let's go to File, Save As. If there's a Save as Adobe PDF option, don't follow that one. Go to Save As. Let's open the folder. And you'll see the name come up. Go to Save as Type and switch the file type to PDF. Now, what I'm also going to do though is I'm going to take out this additional info in the file name and just have it be my name resume.pdf. Then I save it. And when you do that, most of the time it will pop up the PDF to show you this version that it looks like. Do a quick scan of it to make sure that it hasn't messed up any of your formatting. This one looks great. When you save it as a PDF, by the way, instead of doing another option like print to PDF, it maintains these links. So as I hover over any hyperlinks, it still shows that and allows somebody to do the control click to go to that. So now when I close these out and I go back into my jobs folder, you'll see both those documents there. Now what's nice is if I applied for a different job, let's say I applied to the YMCA. I wanted to use the same resume, but I wanted to adjust it just a little bit. Maybe there was a section that I wanted to boost up over another one. I wanted to move this experience to be the first thing that's listed. And I go and do that. If I go and I save this as, and I put it into, let's browse again, desktop, jobs. Now I'm going to YMCA. I can save it as the exact same file name as what I had before, but in a different folder. So now, if I go and I save this as the PDF that I'm going to send in final, I can get rid of this without a table. Notice that this is the exact same name that I had in the other one. My name, resume.pdf, save. I can have it be the exact same name. So when I send the document via email, somebody will see it just as my name and resume. And I won't have to worry about switching it up based upon the job that I'm applying to. So this is a great way of storing all of your documents and allows you to quickly go back and find the jobs that you applied to. One mini trick that I would also recommend after you've applied, just switch the name of the folder to say when it was. That can just help you to track when you had sent things in. So again, great technique for keeping things easily findable, but then also a lot more visually friendly for the people that you're sending job apps to.